Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Icebox Door Asm, part #WR78X26087. GE Icebox Door Asm, part #WR78X26087 is a replacement part for GE refrigerators. It is the complete assembly for the refrigerator door, including the handle, hinges, and frame. The part number WR78X26087 is specific to certain models of GE refrigerators. This part is used to replace a damaged or worn-out door assembly on a GE refrigerator. It includes all necessary hardware and instructions for installation. The door assembly helps keep cold air in and warm air out of the refrigerator, helping to maintain optimal temperatures inside the appliance. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a broken or damaged icebox door assembly. It can fix symptoms such as a door that won't close properly, a door that won't stay closed, or a door that is leaking cold air. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the top hinge cover by removing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Remove the door from the refrigerator by lifting it up and off of the bottom hinge pin. 4. Place the new door assembly onto the bottom hinge pin and align it with the top hinge cover. 5. Secure the door to the refrigerator with screws and tighten them until they are snug but not overly tight. 6. Replace the top hinge cover and secure it with screws. 7. Plug in your refrigerator and test to make sure that your new door A. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.